Y'all know every birthday girl has their moments. Either they cry or they mad. Gotta deal with it.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Drea. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Today is my little sister's birthday. She's turning 23 today, and take you guys with me to go pick up her gift and the birthday festivities that we got coming today with her. Let's go. We're gonna be going to the bowling alley as a family or whatever, but I'm going to Kohl's, the Sephora and Kohl's, to get her this perfume that she had been wanting for a few months now for her birthday. Here goes. Good morning. Okay, now I'm finna be over here shopping for myself. Shouldn't be.
I'm private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then
Leaving Kohl's, I got my sister's perfume. She's gonna be so happy. I'm just such a heavy family-oriented person. Like, I'm just excited about bowling night tonight with my family. I love spending time with my family. That's like one of my most favorite things to do. But mission accomplished on that. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but I cannot get this thing to sit up the right way. Okay, let me do my lip liner. Flex of the day, I'm wearing Pretty Lady Cosmetics on my lips. This is a project I've been working on for a few months now. Trying to pick the perfect ones. This is one of my colors for my cosmetic line. And I'm trying to stay consistent. That is one of my New Year's resolutions. Just staying consistent, stay consistent, or whatever. Because I'm not trying to do y'all like Sheree did and say spring, summer. Because one thing about me, I don't know. Consistency is something I've just been working on for a long time in my life. But this is one of my colors. Look at this. Like a little paintbrush. And a brown lip liner. Okay, let me show y'all. So cute.
Hey, vloggy vlog.
She had a bitch fit this morning.
Y'all know every birthday girl has their moments. Either they cry or they mad. Gotta deal with it.
Period, poo. I've been trying out so many different colors, so many different formulas. I've been working hard so I can get this out, but this is the color. Yes, it's Pretty Lady Cosmetics. I'm at the coffee shop right now. I'm gonna try this new coffee spot out in Jackson. I'll get back with y'all in a minute to give you a review, but I don't give a damn. That's a flexible. So we finna try this out. Then I'm gonna go pick up Kaya.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we could?
Big check.
Y'all my turn. Big check. Oh, bitch, you make you say sweat.
Oh, she said we can come pick up the cake now, so I'm gonna come pick you up. And then we're gonna Go and get the cake.
Alright.
To be honest, I don't even know what I got, but look. I'm not really a coffee girl, but that's not bad. I don't do coffee most times, but it's not bad. I think it was cinnamon something. Then I got me a little pie. I'm gonna try it in a minute. Y'all say hey to my sisters. Say hey. Show them what you do. Show them how you get down. Show them how you get down. Because the hustle don't stop.
Girl, leave me alone.
Show them. Anyway.
Oh, goodness. Y'all want to take it?
Okay.
Okay.
She makes cakes, y'all. She got the badges, she got the chip bags, whatever you need.
Don't play with
Say the name.
Devage Creations.
Devage Creations, baby. This is the giant of all trades. The giant of all trades. Period, poo. Me and her went through the struggle together.
Ooh.
We got a story to tell. Lifetime, we ready to tell our story.
And Eve's gonna call us.
That's it, boo. Y'all check out my nephew.
It's your boy Slim in the building.
Devage Creation, bitch. What?
On YouTube and Instagram and TikTok.
Oh, I look so good up in this Mercedes. So nasty and so rude. So nasty and so rude. I'm manifesting. I'm in my sister's car.
It's that. Make some noise, y'all. What the fuck?
Why was you scared?
Motorsport. Look, that thing is bad.
How was the Mercedes?
I love it. I can't wait to give me a Mercedes. Man, so many tickets.
Yeah, because
much later in the day, we got way off track. We just got to the hair store to get the stuff that my sister needs so that we can install her wig.
It's my fault, y'all.
Baby, it's way later in the day. We were supposed to be done with this earlier today. It's insane. We can never stay on schedule.
We always be the late birds, but it's okay. We ain't come to play. Period.
Ooh.
Oh, my dad said. Oh, she said she didn't know that was you or not.
On to the next stop. Oh, it's her sister here. I don't care. I'm gonna call you the birthday girl. Yeah. So this how I look before. Yeah.
Here come. And yeah, we just getting prepared. Ooh, her camera is lit.
That's not the right one.
Until later on, cause we finna pop it.
And y'all know a party ain't a party without the liquor store.
Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
One eternity later.
Oh, we head to my party now.
Hey.
But yeah, it's gonna be litty. We already pre-game, so yeah.
So we just got to the bowling alley with my family. It's my cousin Sharon. This is my mama. Mama, please. And Kai at the bowling alley with lemon pepper steppers.
Bitch, I got the motherfucking lemon pepper steppers.
She got a kitten heel.
me, baby.
I'ma be her.
Do put it to an ankle?
Fuck yeah. Shit, nobody don't need to be digging out of there.
Then dip me underway. Hold me till I scream.
lemon, honey. She's a podcaster.
Serious.
Give me a lemon drop, honey, for the stop.
Why you just want to call her?
She
You love to walk.
She want to switch that switch.
Baby, she gonna break that hip switching.
I'm trying to break her whole neck.
Hey.
What can I do for you? I'm learning, so be gentle.
Mal, can you get Mal with lemon pepper on it? You can't? I can't get no lemon pepper seasoning. I'm just asking, it's simple.
Ask can they put it on the side?
Right, I can get no lemon pepper seasoning on the side. I season it myself. Don't be looking at me like that.
He said help him, honey.
I'm just have to start carrying lemon pepper seasoning in my purse.
So you don't want none?
And some lemon pepper seasoning. Just ask him. Just ask him to see. Dang, ask him if you want a little tip or something. You can sprinkle a
We
little.
just talked about this being gentle.
I know, but he can sprinkle a little of that seasoning in there. You want a little tip or something?
That's
Or
all
you want a little tip or something?
That's all you want?
That's all I want.
I'll be right back.
Yep.
You want to pay cash or card?
Cash.
Pay cash?
Cash if you got the lemon pepper seasoning. Okay, give me a lemon drop. Sorry, I forgot. It's been a long night, boo. Help me out.
Okay, he knew he wanted us to be easy.
Tomorrow, I promise, I will die drunk.
Just fresh out of surgery. This motherfucker from that damn drunk. Fresh out the table. Dying drunk. At least I won't know it with him.
So the test, he said he been a bartender for 2 days. Okay. You want to learn? This ain't bad, Didi.
It was some shot.
Scampiana, young. We out this bitch, y'all. It's so fucking packed. Like, damn. I'm glad I'm fucked up. No bullshit. I gotta pee though, y'all. Bye. That mean we recorded right there.
We live.
Yep, now we take a picture right there.
Bitch, you ain't got no motherfucking makeup slides. I ain't got shit in here. I'm trying to stay clean.
Happy birthday, Kaya.
I got free to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
I ain't never seen a
Look
bitch.
how many nails on this note.
I ain't never seen a bitch bold in a metallic dress.
Bitch, fuck you. I'm gonna be taking pictures right now. Oh, God. We drunk. We slurred. We said
Playing with makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Catching us on fucking candy camera.
Right. How that drink got you feeling? You feel sexy. Y'all be quick.
I've been drinking.
I got approved anything that you put on before you put on.
Period.
But I got approved. It's no happening now.
Okay then. All right. Mm-hmm.
Superman at home.
You didn't ask my permission for one thing.
When you get up in this car.
Hey, what light is?
What light?
Good morning, y'all. It's the next day, and excuse me, looking like this right now. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I had to wake up and take my mom to work. Yesterday was a really fun day. I had a blast with my family, but I know it's gonna be a little bit choppy because my phone went dead and I kept forgetting to record. This is dead too, but I kept forgetting to record content yesterday, so it's gonna be a little bit choppy. My mom just got in the car. I left my camera at home. So this is for anybody who not creating their content because they don't have no camera. I'm on my phone. I'm holding it sideways. What is you doing? What you waiting on? Okay, so it's a couple hours later. Well, it's later in the day. And I'm at Target. I just picked my mom up from work. I'm at Target about to pick up the girls' night card game to play. We're gonna chill, take some shots, play the card game until about 6 or 6:30 because me and Brina are going to a blues concert. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I leave out of this store. Got it.
You gotta take it all. I mean,
Don't sip the shot, just drink.
okay, give this card to whoever is the biggest social media stalker.
No, that ain't me.
Mom, you be on everybody's page. Who do I stalk?
Because you have to check your sources when you get your news.
Yeah, your car. It's show your car, right?
Right.
I'm gonna turn sideways. Don't get me.
I feel like I got the most. Oh, wow. We should know there's some car companies. Land Rover.
What's up, y'all need orange?
Oh, okay. Toyota.
Nissan.
You look like a damn Toyota.
I said Nissan.
Mercedes.
Okay.
Tesla.
Ford Pinto.
Honda.
Volkswagen. Maybach.
Minivan. Take that shot. I said,
How you did a lot of dumb shit.
yeah.
What about that shopping cart? This mama just kept telling me stop doing it. Every time somebody do that to Kai, she always did to hurt us. Entire shopping cart flipped on top of Kai upside down. You know the handle part?
Yeah.
It was right here on her neck. Well, if you could breathe, you wouldn't be talking.
Nah, what about Grandma's old apartment? Granddad told me
I was
to
finna to say that. You know, it was small. It was 1 bedroom. And she was running back and forth. Just running back for a full fledged. She kept saying, start running, Kyle. Start running. She hit that
She
toe
gave me 3 ice
on that
cream
little curve
cones.
thing. And I couldn't wait for her to hurt herself. She gonna do this. Right, his feet together. Told you. What about that motherfucker?
We finna be stupid drunk, ain't we?
Yeah.
God bless us trying to walk in
No, we just need to hurry up and get to where we going.
before we kick in. Ain't
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's going there. Cheers. Some bullshit.
Bullshit.
Okay.
I believe this is a mistake.
Cheers.
I don't think we're gonna enjoy the concert.
Let's see how much. Ooh, I ain't catch up.
Young and private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on.
No!
I got the veins out. Period.
This side,